Hello everyone, welcome back to Adda 24/7 with me Gaurav Singh Bhadoria, your reasoning educator. A very warm welcome and a very good afternoon in fact. We will be starting today's session with the most important thing that today we are celebrating National Mathematics Day. Today on 22nd of December, it's the birthday of our great mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. So on this occasion, we are giving you certain offers also. The offers will be that we are giving you a good discount on all the books related to quant. For example, you can go for ACE reasoning also, ACE quant also, and a combination book of both puzzles and DI. So related to puzzles and DI, we very well know that yeah, it is a very important part of both prelims and your mains examination, be it any exam. So just try using code Y537S to get the maximum discount on these particular books. Apart from that, you can go for these individual batches for SIDBI grade A also. We will be looking in details towards the end of the session. So talking of SIDBI, very good afternoon Vedika. Talking of our next examination, that is of SIDBI. Right. So today we will be discussing what is the total staff strength and what are the different offices, regional offices of SIDBI present around you, so that when you get an option to select कि आपको कहाँ पे posting चाहिए, so you should be aware of all these offices, right? This report that is in front of your screen, this was at the end of financial year 22. So according to this report, there were total 10 regional offices, 82 branch offices and extended branch offices, 3 SARBs, that is specialized asset recovery branches, 6 ELSCs, that is express loan service centers, and major category of all the offices are this. Srishti, I'm not aware of the actual word count, but when you will be writing the examination in the instruction, it will be given to you, right? So right at that moment, जब आप descriptive examination start करेंगे, right after the objective examination, so each and everything will be mentioned to you कि इतनी word strength होनी चाहिए. So do not worry about all those things. सब चीज़ आपको पता चल जाएगी. Do not worry. Okay. Apart from that, so these are the major offices. और important चीज़ देख लेते हैं. So this is the staff strength as on March 31st 2022. तो ये जो भी official reports हैं, these are genuine, these are taken from the official website of SIDBI. So if you wish to cross check, you can directly visit as SIDBI website. वहाँ पे आपको सारी details मिल जाएंगी, right? So as of 31st of March 2022, we had total 986 total staff, 866 officers, 92 class 3 staff, 28 subordinate staff. Total women employees were 223, and category wise distribution देखें तो from SC category we had 172, from ST 71, OBC 203, PWD 27 and ex servicemen 2. So definitely ये जो strength है, it might have increased because the data is of previous 31st of March 2022, but meanwhile direct कोई vacancy निकली नहीं है, but see, so overall you can see that this is the total staff strength. Now the most important part is the office location, right? Because you should be aware of this fact कि भाई आपका selection हो गया, you have job in your hand. Now if asked तो आपको पता तो होना चाहिए near by you, whichever location you belong to, आपका कहीं पर भी घर है. So this job is pan India, so its offices are all over the India, and all the offices we will be discussing कि उस city में भी कहाँ कहाँ पे offices हैं, right on your screen. And again, this particular source, it is genuine, it is 100% correct, and you can visit the SIDBI website also. Now just to avoid all those hardships कि आप visit करेंगे, then you will look all these data. So instead of doing that, we have bring this small session where you can cross check, right? Talking of branch network, this is as on September 2021, directly taken from the SIDBI official website. Now talking of Ahmedabad regional office, we have all the address related to Jaipur RO भीलवाड़ा branch office है, भिवाड़ी में है, जयपुर में, जोधपुर में, and विश्वकर्मा area. And talking of Bengaluru, I hope the font is clearly visible. Chali, I just read it out. Chali, next city, let's see. It is of Bengaluru. So in Bengaluru, this is the complete address. Only one regional office. In Chandigarh, we have वी हैव चंडीगढ़ ब्रांच ऑफिस, जालंधर में भी है, शिमला, यमुनानगर, लुधियाना ब्रांच ऑफिस। टॉकिंग ऑफ जयपुर ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड है, भीलवाड़ा, भिवाड़ी, जयपुर, जोधपुर, किशनगढ़, सीतापुर इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया, उदयपुर, दैन विश्वकर्मा इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया ब्रांच ऑफिस। Talking of Lucknow regional office, we have in Kanpur, Noida, Patna, Prayagraj, Ranchi, Varanasi. New Delhi regional office, Bahadurgarh, Vallabhgarh, Bhopal, BO, Dehradun, Faridabad, Gurugram, Haridwar, Kundli, New Delhi, Rudrapur. Apart from these cities, we have other offices as well. We have in Chennai. तो चेन्नई के अंदर आने वाले कौन कौन से रीजनल ऑफिसेज हैं चेन्नई आर के अंडर? अंबातूर, चेन्नई, कोयम्बटूर, कांचीपुरम, मदुराई, पुडुचेरी, त्रिपुरा. Under Pune RO, Aurangabad, then we have Indore, Kolhapur, Nagpur, Nasik, Pune, Thane, Vasai. Under Guwahati RO, we have Agartala, Aizwal, Dimpur, Gangtok, Guwahati, Imphal, Itanagar, Kolkata, Shiv. Under Hyderabad, we have Bhubaneswar, Hyderabad, Raipur, Vijayawada, Visakhapatnam. Under Express Loan Service Centers, तो मैंने आपको इन द प्रीवियस स्लाइड दिखाया था कि अपार्ट फ्रॉम रीजनल ऑफिसेज वी हैव दीज 6 ELSC एक्सप्रेस लोन सर्विस सेंटर्स ऑल्सो, 3 आपके SARBs भी हैं, स्पेशलाइज्ड एसेट रिकवरी ब्रांचेस, तो उनकी भी डिटेल यहाँ पे है. सो दीज एक्सप्रेस लोन सर्विस सेंटर्स ये कहाँ कहाँ पे हैं? These are located in Ahmedabad, Chennai, Hyderabad, Mumbai, New Delhi, and Lucknow. So if we count total 6 ELSCs, and in that slide also we have seen कि 6 these are the centers. Then specialized asset recovery branch ये कहाँ पे? It is in Chennai, it is in Mumbai, and it is in New Delhi. Right. So apart from that, if you have any queries, so this was just a small session just to aware yourself that the exam which we are appearing for, we should be knowing these things so that we can set our priorities, that if given the opportunity, definitely out of all the students, those who will get selected, priority will be given to the person, the student who has secured top rank, then उसके बाद, so definitely, but still we should be knowing कि हम कहाँ पर हैं, which is our hometown. Now many of you may be living in these areas only, तो आपके branch offices जो हैं you can locate कि कौन सा आपके पास में, and you can have 3 to 4 choices which are close to, जो आपके घर के आसपास हो, and you can put them on your priority list, and definitely you will be getting one of the RO, right? चलिए, so this was just a small session, informative session related to the branch offices, कहाँ कहाँ पे हैं, their locations, and total staff also. So again, concluding the session, before concluding the session, again today we are celebrating National Mathematics Day. It is observed every year on 22nd of December, birthday of our great mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. So on this special occasion, we are giving you extra and good discount on the books of quant as well as some books of reasoning also. So ACE Quant, you can avail a great discount. Just try using code Y537. Then we have ACE Reasoning, and important for all the prelims and mains examination, puzzle और DI, जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सेक्शंस होते हैं फॉर ऑल द प्रीलिम्स एंड मेंस एग्जामिनेशन ऑल्सो. तो आप इसके साथ भी जा सकते हैं. जो भी प्राइजेस विजिबल हैं, डू नॉट हैव टू पे दीज हैवी अमाउंट्स. जस्ट ट्राई यूजिंग कोड Y537S टू अवेल द मैक्सिमम डिस्काउंट. ये दो पर्टिकुलर बैचेस हैं. सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम स्टडी मटेरियल, डेफिनेटली यू विल नीडिंग सम कोर्सेज. तो अगर आप सेपरेट बुक नहीं लेना चाहते हैं, देन यू कैन गो फॉर दिस बैच. वाई? बिकॉज बुक किट इसके साथ ही आपको मिल जाएगी. नहीं चाहिए, देन वी हैव अ सेपरेट बैच. जस्ट ट्राई यूजिंग कोड Y537, एंड ये जो प्राइजेस हैं इट विल रिड्यूस हेविली. एंड ये जो कोर्सेज हैं स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 27th of December, ऑलरेडी मैनी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स हैव एनरोल्ड. सो आपको वेट नहीं करना है. दिस इज द लास्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी इफ वी से ऑफ दिस ईयर 2022. तो इसका भरपूर आपको फायदा उठाना है, एंड डेफिनेटली सक्सेस विल बी योर्स. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, बेस्ट ऑप्शन बैंक महापैक है. उसमें भी बैंक महापैक प्लस है, बिकॉज यू विल बी गेटिंग ऑल द बैंकिंग एंड रेगुलेटरी बॉडी एग्जामिनेशंस कवर्ड अंडर इट. कोड विल बी अगेन Y537. सो लेट्स मीट अप अगेन इन द अपकमिंग सेशन, नेक्स्ट सच इंफॉर्मेटिव सेशन, जहां पर हम कुछ और इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें डिस्कस करेंगे रिलेटेड टू SIDBI examination. Until then, keep preparing with us. Have a wonderful day. Take care and goodbye.